The 10 a.m., check into the Whalers Inn. Located in the heart of downtown, this nautical-themed boutique hotel is a Mystic mainstay. A primary site of hospitality in the town for the past 150 years, the inn's 45 guest rooms are housed inside 5 historic buildings, all of which retain charming historical touches, such as original floors and tin ceilings from 1910. A slew of recent renovations have given the guest rooms a chic and modern feel, and you won't be able to beat the direct view of the Mystic River Bascule Drawbridge from Hoxie House. The 11 a.m., though it's small in size, Mystic boasts a bustling downtown filled with shops, restaurants, galleries, and more. There's no better way to get situated than to take a stroll and explore. Grab a scoop of homemade ice cream at Mystic Drawbridge Ice Cream, then check out the unique offerings at crafts shop Mystic Knotwork, where you can find handmade nautical knot bracelets, coasters, ornaments, doormats, and more. Next, head to Peppergrass Tulip, a great place to sift through vintage clothing and Victorian-era inspired gifts, and pop into local favorite Bank Street Books, where you can shop your favorite paperbacks from a small, local business. Other great options for gifts include Hang the Moon, Trove, Street Soap Emporium, and Mystic Disc, a hidden gem for vinyl diehards.